Orange Osceola State Attorney Aramis Ayala took her fight over the death penalty to Florida's Supreme Court.
Ayala is suing Governor Rick Scott, claiming he overstepped his authority when he reassigned 24 of her murder cases to a neighboring prosecutor. News 6 investigator Mike DeForest is in Tallahassee for today's big showdown at the Supreme Court.
Even though Governor Rick Scott's office is right here at the Capitol building, he did not walk across the street to Florida's Supreme Court. However, Scott's adversary in this case, State Attorney Aramis Ayala, was here in Tallahassee for this landmark hearing.
I did what I believed was proper under Florida law, and no laws have been violated.
State Attorney Aramis Ayala claims it was Governor Rick Scott who violated the law when he took away 24 potential death penalty cases from her office.
He does not have the authorization to override the prosecutorial discretion of an elected state attorney.
Ayala's lawyer argues that the state attorney has the right to not pursue death penalty cases.
And what State Attorney Ayala did is absolutely an exercise in discretion.
It seems to me that discretion is not to ignore Florida law.
Well, Your Honor, respectfully, there is nothing in Florida law that requires State Attorney Ayala to seek the death penalty.
There's a world of difference between a discretionary, flexible prosecutorial guideline that keeps open the possibility that a statute could be applied in some set of circumstances, on the one hand, and the across-the-board policy that petitioner articulated here, which takes effectively the death penalty off the books with respect to the Ninth Judicial Circuit.
One of the justices asked why the governor did not simply remove Aramis Ayala from office entirely. Scott's lawyer says the governor does have the power to do that, describing it as, quote, a sledgehammer. But in this case, the governor's office says that they wanted to use a scalpel instead and just remove those 24 potential death penalty cases from her. Reporting in Tallahassee, Mike DeForest, News 6.